Today we're here at the State Fair in Dallas, Texas, and we're doing the Ultimate Fried Food Challenge with a special guest, my dad. What are you putting on it, Dad?
Mustard only.
Mustard's disgusting. The first thing that we got here is a corny dog. That's a staple of the State Fair of Texas.
Oh, it's really good. Well, the batter is fried just right. It has a nice crust on it. The hot dog is hot, and the cornbread in between is just, oh.
So this is the Strawberry Crunch Roll, a new addition to the Texas State Fair. First impressions? Don't lie to the people, Dad.
A little cheese, a little strawberry, and some sour cream icing.
All right, so this is Strawberry Crunch Roll. Honestly, it looks amazing. There's cream cheese filling on it, the strawberries. But strawberries aren't in season right now, so let's see. Is this good? It's got like a soft, mushy texture and taste to it. Definitely make sure that you get someone else to eat this with you, because it's very rich, very rich. All right, I'm gonna go finish this now.
Are you gonna get any more of this?
No, Dad, you're gonna have the rest of it.
All right.
You thought it was that good, 10 out of 10?
Oh yes, it's a 10. Wow, that was good. Now, I don't know if it was good for me though.
You getting stuffed already?
Yes.
What, Dad?
What is this?
This is the raspberry.
You better let me prep it like I did the other one.
Dad, it does not need to be prepped.
Yeah, you do, so it can come up quick. Bottom's kind of tough. Oh, spicy, sweet, tangy, spicy. It's cold, so I'm assuming you're supposed to have it cold. I'll eat a little more, but not all of it.
Hold on, Dad. I need some.
Good. Oh,
This is the raspberry chipotle sopapilla cheesecake. The first thing you taste in this is definitely that little kick, that spice, but the whipped cream, it's kind of overpowering. Honestly, this is getting a 5 out of 10. So we did not like the sopapilla. That was not good. It was just a big mess. Strawberry Crunch Roll wins this one.
Okay. Well, the sopapilla was deep fried and then put in a refrigerator and then pulled out, and that's when they put the toppings on the sopapilla, and that made it very hard to cut and even chew.
It took away from the experience of just really enjoying the meal. If something's too hard in life, it's not gonna be good. This is a lobster bisque croquette. So this is like a French tater tot. As you can see, he's breaking apart. And you can see the lobster inside, and we're gonna give this a taste.
Oh, it's got strings of lobster. This is a big piece.
Oh, that's
It's got strings of it in there also. You see it? That's
yeah,
lobster.
okay. All right, so it's not fried dessert this time. It's fried lobster, but I guess really lobster biscuit croquette. Oh, this is way better than the desserts. Hold on. So you can really taste the breading, like my dad was saying. But then also it's just like a moist, like warm pillow of succulent, like the lobster. You can really taste it. This is good. Look at this man. He's going back in. He's going back in again for the food, breaking it apart. You can really see that bread, the color.
Lobster sauce.
Dad, you know we're sharing this, right?
I don't think so. You've had enough.
Goodness gracious. You can really see the lobster in there, the cheese, and then this breading right here. This is what you want when you fry food at the State Fair of Texas. It's warm and it's fresh, and that's what you want whenever you're tasting fried food. Dad, you didn't even dip it in the sauce. What? That was like a baby dip. How's it taste though? How's the sauce?
Adds another layer of flavor.
Either you're lying to me or you're lying to the people. What's happening?
It adds another layer of flavor.
But that is what you want when you're frying food at the State Fair. Looking at the lobster, the breading around the lobster. That's good stuff. So this is the fried honey here at the Texas State Fair. As you can see, it's fried, has that powdered sugar on it. Honestly, it's so warm. We're so ready to try this. All right, so let's give this a try. It looks so good, so good. Oh wow. So first bite, this is amazing. You can really taste the honey. It's crispy, flaky, but soft on the inside. And then just the powdered sugar really gives it just that wow. But I will say though, towards the end, let me give one more bite. I gotta give another one. Oh, you can even see inside of it, the brown cinnamon also. The paste is good. But I will say, 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
All right, here it goes.
Right? Actually, I might give this a 9 out of 10. No one's getting 10 today because 10 is like you're walking on water like you're Jesus. What are you thinking, Dad? You can really taste that honey in there, can't you?
The moment I took a bite, the flavor of the honey burst in my mouth.
It's just like bam.
Wow.
Oh, you're going back again. All right, show us that deep fried honey. Just look how perfect that is. The brown sugar, the cinnamon. What's this red stuff? Cherry?
I don't know, but it's good.
The white powder, the brown sugar.
But what I want to say is how before you even bite into it, you get a burst of the honey flavor once you place it in your mouth. That's really something. How did they make it to where before you even bite into it, the burst of flavor hits your taste buds?
I'm telling you, it's literally crazy, just madness.
Wow.
So this is the fried soul food egg roll. This is gonna remind you of your grandma's. Hold on, just look at that. Your grandma's soul food egg rolls. There's collard greens in here, mac and cheese, and then if you look at the top, there's this barbecue sauce on it. So we're gonna dive into it. Is it better than your Big Mama's cooking?
Well, in its own way. I like the barbecue flavor. It's on the shell, and when I taste it first, then I bite in, and I taste a little mac and cheese, and the greens kind of come in at the very end. That's marinated. It seems to dominate it after that, the flavor.
Oh, he's going in. He's gonna finish it. So this is piping hot. Let's see if this is better than my dad's Big Mama's cooking, my grandma's cooking. Oh. First thing when you try this is going to be that chicken and that barbecue sauce just running through your mouth. And then after that chicken, you're getting hit with the collard greens, the mac and cheese. This one's a winner, but I think today my favorite was the deep fried honey and then the lobster. Lobster biscuit, croquette. Yeah, that was amazing. If you're here at the State Fair of Texas and you want deep fried honey, these are the people that you need to come to. The best deep fried honey. We're good. We had too many sweets. So we almost died of a sugar rush here at the State Fair of Texas. You gotta tell me that. What did you think of the food?
This is a good day to come to the fair to enjoy the food.
And what about that sugar rush?
It's a rush, but it's worth it.